Hello everyone, we are showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox. So if you want to get face tracking on Roblox, guys, just follow my video till the end. And before starting on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. And so let's start the video. First of all, you have to equip this head or the man face head if you have. So I'll give you the link of the both head, and it is right now free on Roblox. Just get it as soon as possible because it supports animation as well as voice tracking. So if you want to do voice tracking, you can do that. Now if you want to do as you can see, this green dot shows that Roblox is using your camera to animate your avatar. So how can you get the first of all, you have to come, and now you have to click on three dot. Now go to in settings, and now go to in privacy. So now you have to enable two permission. First permission, and that is to allow camera used by Roblox. So you have to allow Roblox to use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So to enable it, you have to click on this toggle button. The second one, just click on it, the enable. So it says that this allow you to animate your avatar with your movement, and also follow our community guide standard when talking, and report abuse if you hear it. So you can click on enable, and once you enable, now Roblox will start using your camera to animate your avatar with your movement. And also if you want to do a voice chat or a voice tracking, you also have to enable this microphone permission. Just click on it and click on enable. So it says that this allow you to chat with your voice. So basically it is a voice chat feature. So if you want to get it, you just have to enable it by clicking on enable button. And now once you enable it, guys, you just have to come out of this, and now just play any game that supports camera and microphone as communication. So let's click on this game, and you will see here in communication both microphone and camera are supported. So basically you can come out of the then you just have to play the game and see how can you enable the face tracking in game itself. So once you're in the game, guys, as I told you, so red light or red dot indicates that Roblox is using a microphone, and green dot that it is using a camera. So now you have to click on these two buttons here on the avatar's head. Let me zoom in. These two heads, these two. The first is to face tracking. This allow you to allow the Roblox to use your camera, and once you enable it, it will start tracking your facial expression. And to do a voice chat or a voice tracking, you can also do that by this Roblox icon and click on microphone. So now the red button will get convert into the red, oh sorry, green button convert into the red. So now you can see the variation in the microphone icon, and now you can see that it will start tracking your voice. So I just I used, and I'm using right now the woman face. You can use the man face as well. So I thought I should vary with face. So last time I used the man face. You can try out both face. I'll give the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.